Hello everyone, this is Esther. Today I'm going to show you how to make instant fresh bambooshoot pickle. It's a bambooshoot season and we get bambooshoot in plenty during this season. But as we all know, because of frequent lockdown this year, it is very hard to find all our favorite vegetables in the market unlike the other year. But then luckily, I got some fresh bambooshoot yesterday from the market, so I thought, why not show you how to make an instant fresh bambooshoot pickle. So here it is, I made today. You can have it right away, or if you want to store this, then you can fill it in a bottle or in a jar, and then you can sun dry it, and then you can enjoy it for a longer time. It is a very simple recipe. You don't need much ingredient. You can easily make it from the things that are easily available in your kitchen. So now I'll be showing you what are the ingredients that I use to make this pickle.
Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed to Nagaland Foodie yet, then click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Then select all option so that you don't miss out notification on our new videos. For our today's recipe, I'll be using 2 fresh bambooshoot, some cumin seeds and cumin powder, turmeric powder, salt to taste, a little bit of chili powder, some king chili and also curry leaves. First, we will peel the hard leaves of the bambooshoot to get the tender part. Let's cut the firm tip part of the shoot. Let's also cut the bottom part. And after that, we will be chopping this into small pieces. We are done chopping, so now let's go ahead and wash it once. Now let's start boiling the bambooshoot by adding little bit of water. I'll be boiling this for about 20 minutes. So let's cover it with the lid and then start cooking it. It's about 20 minutes now, so let's have a look. Yeah, this is done. So now let's turn off the flame and drain out the water. Make sure after boiling the bambooshoot, you wash it thoroughly because the fresh shoots, it contains some toxin and it tastes a little bitter. So wash it 4 to 5 times. And after that, keep it aside for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now we will stir fry it in a karai without adding any oil. Let's add the bambooshoot. This trick is to get rid of moisture so that we can also store the pickle for a longer time. This is done. So now let's set it aside. Next, let's add some mustard oil in a karai. Add some salt to taste. After that, let's add the cumin seeds. Next is the curry leaves. And there goes the king chili. Now let's add the cumin powder and also the turmeric powder. Stir it once, and after that let's add the roasted bambooshoot. Stir it well so that all the ingredients goes inside the shoots. If you want, you can add ginger and garlic. But the last time I tried adding ginger and garlic to it, but somehow I don't really like the combination, so this time I decided not to add it. Now let's add the chili powder. Mix it well again. Let's add a little vinegar. Mix it well, and after that fry this for another 2 minutes. So we have been frying this for about 2 minutes and our pickle is done. And here it is, we are done with our today's instant fresh bambooshoot pickle. You can enjoy it right away, or you can fill it in a bottle like what I'm doing now and enjoy it for a longer period of time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy our today's recipe. And if you like the video, then do subscribe and share. Thank you.